Hello, my darlings, and welcome back. I'm Dr. Maya. Today, I'm sharing a recipe so unconventional, so intense, that many will dismiss it. But those who dare will unlock a level of cellular detoxification and hormone activation they never thought possible. Today, we're crafting the ultimate power shot, a metabolic shockwave designed to dismantle the barriers of chronic fatigue, reset your gut biome, and provide a direct surge to your natural testosterone production. Forget the gentle juices and weak supplements. This is the extreme health elixir your body has been secretly craving. Friends, this is truly a new and very effective recipe. You absolutely must watch the video until the end to discover all the secrets, because the method of mixing is just as critical as the ingredients themselves. The secret formula: 5 aggressive activators. This recipe uses a blend of aggressive, potent ingredients that create an unparalleled synergistic effect. Get ready to build your internal immune fortress. Number 1, the pH protocol, baking soda and water, the gut reset. We begin with the most controversial element: 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with some water. This isn't just baking soda, this is a calculated pH protocol. The alkalizing effect provides an immediate and crucial gut biome reset. It helps neutralize excess acidity, which is the root cause of systemic inflammation and poor nutrient absorption. By managing your internal pH, you are setting the stage for maximum vitality and preparing your body for the hormone-boosting ingredients to follow. This is the cellular detox starter you need. Number 2, the protein catalyst, 1 chicken egg. Next, we add 1 chicken egg. Darling, this is the protein catalyst, a direct fuel source for hormone activation. A whole egg provides the complete amino acid profile, choline for brain function, and essential fats that are necessary building blocks for testosterone and other vital hormones. It's an immediate injection of bioavailable nutrients. The secret here is in the preparation. Whisk the egg well until it becomes smooth and perfectly mixed. This process breaks down the proteins, ensuring rapid, efficient absorption. Number 3, the ancient hormone trio, ginger, garlic, and hot pepper. Now for the fire, the ingredients that turn this into a true testosterone elixir and inflammation killer. Fresh ginger, a small piece the circulation accelerator. Ginger is legendary for reducing inflammation and promoting vasodilation, which improves blood circulation throughout the entire body, essential for peak love health and sustained physical endurance. Garlic, 1 clove, the immune fortress builder. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its unparalleled ability to boost the immune system and promote the release of nitric oxide, further supporting healthy blood flow and cardiovascular defense. Hot pepper, a small piece the metabolic fire starter. The capsaicin in hot pepper triggers thermogenesis, immediately igniting your metabolism and promoting fat oxidation. This is the metabolic shockwave that helps you conquer fatigue and sharpen your focus. Number 4, the bioavailability booster, raw honey, a spoonful. Finally, we introduce the crucial finishing touch, a spoonful of raw honey. Honey is more than just sweetness. It acts as the bioavailability booster. Its natural enzymes and sugars balance the intensity of the shot and, most importantly, aid the rapid absorption of the potent compounds like capsaicin and allicin. Honey itself has been studied for its potential to support testosterone levels and provides clean, sustained energy. The ritual: crafting your power shot. Start with the pH protocol. Mix the baking soda and water. Prepare the protein catalyst. Whisk the egg well until smooth. Combine the hormone trio. Blend the finely grated ginger, garlic, and hot pepper with the egg. Ensure you mix the ginger with the egg thoroughly until they blend together. Add the bioavailability booster. Stir in the spoonful of honey. Mix everything with the baking soda solution and consume immediately. This recipe is your all-natural, science-backed approach to seizing control of your hormonal health and achieving peak performance. Don't let this secret pass you by. Darling, don't forget to give this video a like and write me something sweet in the comments. I really need your support to continue sharing these groundbreaking natural remedies. Hit that subscribe button and let's conquer health taboos together. Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional care.